Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix could not create account. Your account cannot be created at this time issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you are facing this issue and you are unable to create account, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all open settings in your device and then tap on general, and then you have to tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, do this, and after this scroll it below and tap on date and time and set your date and time, and then tap on language and region and select your country or region from here correctly. And after this, check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then open any browser and search here for appleid.apple.com. So guys, here you can see this, search here for appleid.apple.com, and now you have to tap on this small arrow button and then tap on create your Apple account. And now try to create your Apple account using this website. So guys, here you can see this website. Try to create your Apple account from here, and if you still face this problem, then you have to simply search here for iCloud.com. Here you can see this, simply open iCloud.com and then tap on sign in, and wait here for some seconds, and from here tap on create Apple account. So guys, simply tap on this and now try to create your Apple account using this website. So guys, check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply change your device and then try to create your Apple account on a latest device. So guys, simply try to create your Apple account on a latest device, and once you create your Apple account on that device, then you will be able to sign in your Apple account on your older device or your own device very easily. So guys, this is the way which you can follow to create Apple account on your Apple device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.